Gandang hapon po ng Friday, July 26, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, July 26, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng July 26, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, July 26, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 52 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 15 million pesos for July 26, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, July 26, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.